Good morning students. It is another video lecture of class 12th biology, and in previous video lectures we have already discussed about the outbreeding devices, and in outbreeding devices we have already learned that there is a through these outbreeding devices the plant rejects, you can say that, the self pollination, but they promote the cross pollination. And why they do so, it is only for the variation, because if the variation will not occur, then any kinds of organism as well as any kinds of plant will not survive in this changeable environment. So for the variation or the variety or for the superior characters, through the outbreeding devices, the flowering plants or the angiospermic plants will adopt these outbreeding devices. And one more thing, we already have studied about the pollination. When the pollination occurs, what will happen? The pollen grains from the same flower or the pollen grain from the different flower will land on the stigma of the pistil. But there is a very important mechanism noticed, that every kinds of a pollen grain either from the same flower of the same plant or either from the different species of the different plant or the different flower of the different plant, which will land on the stigma, will not germinate. Means there is a clear cut discrimination occur between the right type of pollen grain and the wrong type of pollen grain. अब ऐसा समझो कि जब पॉलिनेशन होता है तो जो पोलन ग्रेन होता है वो ट्रांसफर होता है फ्लावर के स्टिग्मा पर, तो ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो जो पोलन ग्रेन सेम फ्लावर से आया हुआ है वो जर्मिनेट करेगा, या फिर जो अदर प्लांट से या डिफरेंट फ्लावर से आया है वो जर्मिनेट करेगा। मीन्स वहाँ पे ये गारंटी नहीं होती कि जो पोलन ग्रेन आया है उसके जर्मिनेशन से फर्टिलाइजेशन होगा ही होगा। अब ये क्यों होता है? तो एक चीज याद रखिएगा कि सभी भी जितने भी पोलन ग्रेन्स आते हैं वो जर्मिनेट नहीं करते हैं। इसका मतलब ये है कि स्टिग्मा हैव द एबिलिटी, दैट इज अ स्टिग्मा ऑफ द प्लांट हैव एबिलिटी to recognize the right type of pollen grain, right type of pollen grain and wrong type of pollen grain, Okay, now the question is arise, if it is the right type, and there is another category that is a wrong type pollen grain, or in other words you can say that if it is the right type pollen grain, then it will germinate, and if it is a wrong type, there is no germination, यहाँ पे कोई germination नहीं होगा। It's a very simple mechanism, but the question is arise, how the pistil recognize that it is the wrong type or it is the right type of pollen grain? It is a very important mechanism the plant adopted, through which that determine which type of pollen grain which lands on the stigma will right type and which type of pollen grain will be the wrong type which will land on the stigma. How it will determined by the plant. So let's look a very important example, and this will earlier into the recent discoveries, it will found that there is a certain allelic mechanism or there is a certain genes are present which determine it is the wrong type of pollen grain or it is the right type of pollen grain. For example, how it will happen? Look that. Suppose that it is the a stigma, it is another pistil, it is another pistil. Suppose if we will want to determine it is the right type or wrong type, then remember that this pistils, suppose that it is A, B and C. Suppose these pistils have certain allelic combination, and the pollen grain, that is a male gametophyte, that will also have some allelic combination. Means remember that if there is a allelic combination, that is a S1 S2 type into this, and S1 S2 type, S1 and S2 type of the allelic combination occur in all these pistils. And if suppose that there is what a certain pollen grains as comes from the same flower or the different flower, same flower or the different flower. Now, how this stigma recognize these pollen grains are wrong type or right type? So it is determined by the some alleles present into these pollen grains. Right there, if the pollen grain have the S1 and S2 type, then look here, the allelic combination is the right type. So all these pollen grain will what? Germinate. They will accept. Means these are the what? These pollen grains, or these are the right type of pollen grain, or you can say that it is a compatible pollen grain, and it will germinate. Okay. And look here, if it is the genetic combination as S3 and S2. So here is a S3 and here is a S1. So sure and sure there is a not the germination. There will be the not germination. What means of germination? Suppose that here it is a right type, then the germination means the formation of the pollen tube will occur. But it is the here the genetic combination is S1 and S2. So this pollen grain will not germinate, and if this pollen grain will not germinate, what will happen? There is not a pollen tube formation at all. But here is the S2 and here is S2. Then what will happen? This S2 will germinate and form the pollen grain. Means it is the right type. So S2 is the right type, but S3 is not a genetic matching allelic components. So it will not germinate. Here look, suppose that is it S3 and S4 type. So it will germinate? No, at all. It will not germinate because the genetic combination is not the same. So this pollen grain are not, these pollen grain will not germinate. So these will be the what? These will be the wrong type of pollen grain, and if it is wrong type, simply means it is incompatible. And if it is incompatible or wrong type of pollen grain, no germination occur. कोई भी germination नहीं होगा. Okay. Now the question is arise, if it will not germinate, means it will not accept by the stigma. And if it is not accept, it will reject. Now, this acceptance and rejection, that is the formation of the pollen tube or the germination, is continuous. Means there is an acceptance and rejection. This will always occur. Acceptance means germination and rejection means not the germination at all. So it will determine or it will cause by the some chemical dialogue occur. Means a chemical dialogue occur between the stigma and the pollen. इनके बीच में क्या होगा? ठीक है, केमिकल डायलॉग होगा, occur between the pollen and the stigma. For what? For germination. And what is the means of germination? That is the pollen tube formation. Okay? So remember that it is right type, then it will be the accept, and how it will accept? It will accept by the chemical dialogue which will occur between the stigma and the pollen. Now, what types of chemicals, what types of chemical components will participate into this germination, that is into the formation of the pollen tube? How it will happen? So let's look a glance on it, how these chemical dialogue will occur in between the pollen and the pistil. Okay? Remember that. Okay. Let's say, suppose that it is the okay. It is the ovary or pistil, and remember that when the right type of the pollen grain will land on the stigma, right type of pollen grain when will land on the stigma, what will happen? This pollen grain cause or release a very important enzyme that is called the pectase. What? So this pectase will release by the pollen grain. And which type of pollen grain? The right type of pollen grain, which will accept by this mechanism, which we have already discussed here. Okay, this pectase released by the pollen grain, and which type of pollen grain? By pollen grain. Which type of pollen grain? Computable or right type pollen grain. Right type pollen grain. Okay, and this pectase, what will do? This pectase dissolve. This pectase, which is the synthesized, which is the released by the right type of pollen grain or computable pollen grain, this will dissolve the pectin. This will dissolve the pectin of stigma. ठीक है, ये स्टिग्मा के पैक्टिन को क्या करेगा? पेक्टेस डिसॉल्व कर देगा. And when this pectase dissolve, it will oozes out here, and when it will oozes out, it will absorb by this pectin, absorb by pollen grain. ये क्या करेगा? pollen grain इसको absorb कर लेगा. When this pectin absorb the pollen grain, then what will happen? This pollen grain, we have already discussed about, these pollen grain have a very small pores, that is the germ pore. इनके पास germ pore होता है, और उस germ pore से क्या होगा? When the pectin absorbed by the pollen grain, what will the pollen tube formation occur? What will pollen tube formation occur, and the germination of the pollen grain will take place. It's a very simple mechanism, and whole this event in NCERT, typically in NCERT, is that whole this event is called as pollen pistil interaction, but there is a clear cut definition occur or right into the NCERT, and what are these lines are? That is the deposition deposition of the pollen on a stigma and their germination and formation of pollen tube. All these events called as what? Pollen pistil